What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be completely transforming this headliner and set of pillars. This is a BMW E36 headliner, non-sunroof model, and we're going to be doing the A pillars and the C pillars. The customer did request that the B pillars were already done, so we don't need them doing, but if they don't match, he's going to bring them over and get them done. So using this material, as you can see just here, this is a black faux suede. This headliner is going to look completely different. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Patreon is in the link in the description, and if anybody wants any headlining, upholstery, anything like that, socials in the description, and let's do it. And this is the finished product. What a difference. This is why I always recommend doing the faux suede, because you're going from a cream to a black, which is already a big transformation anyway, and then you've got that premium feel. You can't beat it, guys. As I mentioned earlier, if you do want any wrapping work, upholstery, anything like that, all the socials are in the link in the description. Funny enough, this is one of the subscribers, so thank you very much for your support. I have some brand new Mark IV Golf Riga side skirts. They've never been fitted, and the reason why I'm selling it is because they don't fit the Mark IIIs, which I was told when I bought them, and now the guy isn't replying, so I'm going to have to sell them. Anybody wants them, social media is in the link in the description. We also have all these headliners to wrap. This is a Bora headliner. This is a Mark I S3. This one is a 3-door. No, this one's a Mark IV Golf 5-door. And then this one is a Mark IV Golf 3-door. So if anybody wants these trimming, just like what you're seeing just here, let me know in the link in the description. We also have all the pillars and glove boxes and stuff to go with it as well, which I can include in the price. And one more plug while we're here, we have got some Mark III Golf rear lights that we're tinting all in red. As you can see, where is it, this one here. These have been tried and tested on the cab. I'll put a picture up now. These have been dailied on the car for a good 8 months now. Through the snow, dirt, rain, even jet washing it. There's no issues with it at all. So if anybody wants them, I have I think I have 3 sets up for grabs. If nobody wants them, then I'll do a giveaway. See you guys next Sunday at 6 PM.